Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Here we are, EWTX. This came from our AI. The alert was at 12:07. 12:07. Now, I freely admit, I saw this in the pre-market. They did a financing at $11. This is not typical of what happens when a company does a financing. Usually usually it doesn't go way above the financing price. Usually it can go below, maybe hover around it. But this sort of, against all odds, and in my opinion, it just kept moving and moving and moving. It still looks pretty good. It's pulled back a little bit, but it's basing. And they've raised $240 million. So maybe that's the deal. Congratulations to the company for being able to raise that amount of money. But it did surprise me. But didn't surprise our AI, 1207, and before it pulled back at all, got up to 1374. This still looks good. This could have an end of day run. Anyway, have a great not a long weekend, have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.